What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. We at the car wash after like what, 4 months or 5 or 6, I don't know, it's been a while. So I'm gonna have her wash the car. Got him! Once it hits 70 degrees, everybody's over here. Everybody, even me. She's trying to get a new car.
Cut that out. Let's do it again.
Comment down below what car should she get. She has a 01 Civic Coupe. No, it's time for a new car.
What's my budget?
What's your budget? I don't know. Anything. $30,000.
Yeah, okay.
$30,000. Hello, okay? Hello, okay, guy? Where's your car? Where's your car? On the other side?
Yeah, I'm gonna clean the inside. Yeah, it's just packed, man.
Stupid pack, bro.
Knockout.
After a whole year, she's clean now. She's all pretty and clear, you know. Well, she's not clean. This is a quick wash. Better than what it was. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God. I'm talking about the wheels.
You're so funny.
Yo, she looks so good. Damn. I got some side splitters and it came in the other day. I tried it on and then I made a vlog on it, but only one side came in. So I'm waiting for the other side to come in so I could drop that vlog and then diffuser. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my God. So much water, bro. Look at that. I gotta drill a hole on that so the water could drain, because
We gon' do your toe like this, yeah.
Bro, this sweater's so fucking warm right now.
I think it's time for some new wipers. What the hell, bro?
Ew.
Sawage. Yo, so I need some type of wheel cleaner because I don't have any. Let me know what you guys think. Which one should I get? Because I need some like real bad, bro. These wheels are ugly right now. Hold on, let me show you. Look at this. Ugly, 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 ugly. Some McGuire's, you know, tire shine. Hey, yeah. El ojo me está sudando, loco. You don't have time, bro. Hurry up, bro. Hurry up, bro. Mira quién llegó. Los projects. Hey. Hey. El Cesar. What's good, bro? What's good, bro? How you doing? Tranquilo. Acting up early. Yo, bro, you're gonna wipe the paint off the car, bro. You're gonna wipe the paint off the car. What? Con todo ese brillo, loco. Acting, acting. Okay. Yo, okay, bro. Oof. Palomo.
Yo, dile que le haga un susto, bye.
Fui loco. Ooh, with the red guts, bro. You heard? Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang. Let's go, bro. Bro. ¡La mañana! Sheesh. Yo, all these necks are broken, bro. Look at everybody. Yo, Soga! Yo, facts. You ever starts rubbing, bro? Dead.
Yo, that's the type of it.
Mom. Soraya! Soraya!
No way.
Oh, hey.
Up my boy got the wig.
Oh, hey. Oh. Séñalo, loco. Let me see your wig, bro. Hey. Oh.
You gotta buy the wing too? You gotta buy the wing too?
Yo, tú estás en el way, look. Alright guys, I'm ending the video here. Hope you guys liked the little car wash vlog. Comment down below what you guys think. What you think about the cars. Comment down below. Make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, bro. Hasta la vista, bye bye.